Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today, in this video, let's take a quick look at Xiaomi's newest flagship ANC earbuds, the FlipBuds Pro. Again, I just went to the Xiaomi offline store to make this quick unboxing and hands-on video, so please consider subscribing, as I always do this kind of fastest original first look video in English. It takes a lot of effort, because people there are always staring at you like you are an alien. LOL. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's unbox it. This is the black packaging for the Xiaomi FlipBuds Pro. We can see a logo on the top right corner. Very strange, they didn't use the new, more rounded logo. Moving to the back, there are some highlights: up to 40 dB active noise cancelling, fast charging and long battery life, supports transparent mode, intelligent low latency, 11mm ultra dynamic sound drivers, multiple devices intelligent connection, and a bunch of other user tips that you will never read. Let's just get this baby naked and see what's inside. The first layer we can see is the FlipBuds Pro. Ever since Xiaomi had that rounded logo, even their new earbuds become more rounded. I guess their designers have learned a lot from Kenya Hari by infusing philosophical thinking into new design. Anyway, let's just put it aside and check out what else it has. They have two extra ear tips, a super long Type-C charging cable, like super long, and of course some paperwork. Sorry, I just left that somewhere else. Now, moving to the design of the FlipBuds Pro. There is an indicator on the front. When you open the cover, it will light up. Green means they have enough battery. At the bottom, there is a Type-C charging port and a physical key alongside it. There is a Xiaomi text on the back, and that's all it has got. The outer shell is obviously made of plastic, but it gives you a metallic feeling. After all, the device adopts the high-gloss nano NCVM coating process. Feels very smooth, but seems a little bit easy to get fingerprints or smudges. I also compared it with the Apple Airpods Pro. I think they have the same aesthetic design. They are almost the same size, the same thickness. Probably the Mi FlipBuds Pro is slightly larger if you have to ask. I also compared my new favorite earbuds from Tronsmart, the Apollo Air. They are totally different regarding the size or design, but both are very portable. Speaking of that, the single Mi FlipBuds Pro weighs 5.9 grams. The total weight including the case is 57 grams, if you are interested to know. And now, moving to the earbuds. Here is it. I just took this close shot so you can see every detail of it. Do you like this kind of stem design or prefer those stemless one like Tronsmart Apollo Bold? Let me know in the comments section. I also compared it with the Apple Airpods Pro. If you look closer, they are basically like twins despite some details different. I wouldn't say it's a bad thing, because in the last couple of years I've reviewed numerous earbuds in all kinds of shapes, and interestingly to find those with similar design like Apple always deliver better wearing comfort. And that's why this Tronsmart Apollo Air is my new favorite earbuds. Now let's connect them with my phone. In order to see the cool animation, you have to make sure your Xiaomi phone has updated to the newest MIUI 12.5, otherwise it won't show the animation. As these earbuds have already connected with a device before, so when connecting with a new device, it asks you to reset. Just long press the physical key under the bottom for 2 seconds and you are ready to connect. The first time connecting, it takes about 15 seconds, a bit longer than expected. Not sure if because it's connected devices before or something, like maybe the resetting takes a longer time. But once you connect successfully, the next time you connect the same device, it will be lightning fast. Since we've connected, I will walk you through what's all in the app. Here you can see the remaining battery charge for the earbuds and the case. You can switch between the transparency, noise cancellation on and off mode. Of course, you have to connect and pair the earbuds first. Moving down, you get to see a bunch of other features like phone calls, media audio, contact sharing, gestures. Here you can assign different features to different actions like next song or previous track, volume up or volume down. You can also assign voice assistant in the press and hold earphone choice here. Just in case you don't know where to press, actually the area is on the stem, very much like the Apple Airpods Pro, but just don't have any indication. During the operation, not sure if it's a prototype or something, I find sometimes it responds not rightly. Hope they won't have that issue for the official version. By the way, if you enter the connection page through Bluetooth icon, then the features will be much less, as you can see from the interface. Let's keep scrolling. It has in-ear detection, very responsive, as you can see. When you take your earbuds off your ear, it will auto stop the music. Once you put it back, it will resume. Answer calls automatically, notification share widget, ear tip fit test. They will play a short amount of time music to see if they fit tightly. Missing earphone alert. It will play the alarm if your earphones are connected but you don't know where they are. The alarm is quite loud. You can also find absolute volume and low latency for games choices here. Lastly is the disconnect and unpair. Now, let's talk about my user experience. As I have a really tight time with the earbuds, so this is just my first impression. If you want to see the in-depth review, please let me know in the comments section. For wearing comfort, yes, they fit my ears snugly and comfortably. Not easy to slip off my ears like some earbuds do. The active noise cancelling feature is no joke, really good. I would say the same as the Airpods Pro or even slightly better. I can easily block out noises here from the shopping mall. As for latency, when I watch some videos, I cannot feel the latency. As for gaming, it's not bad either. The latency is not obvious. For music quality, from my perspective, it's very clear, full-bodied and very balanced. Feels very normal as the AirPods Pro. But if you are a bass freak like me, then definitely this is not your type, as it's just you get a part air if you like punchy bass. Alright, that's my quick hands-on of the Xiaomi FlipBuds Pro. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. It's free. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one.